Dear students, welcome back from our short break. We still thank you for watching us, but you can still follow us on Instagram page called Elimika Darasa. Yeah, we had reached at the point when we had a schedule showing total fixed cost, total variable cost, and total cost. Now, we take that information and present in a combined kind of graphs. So we'll have three graphs, one showing total fixed cost, another one showing total variable cost, and the last one showing total cost on the same plane. You'd remember that our total fixed cost curve was a horizontal straight line. Total fixed cost, which was at 30 shillings. Then we had an upward sloping total variable cost curve starting from the origin. So this is the total variable cost curve. And the total cost curve is equal to total cost when output is 0. So at 0 output, this is 30, so the total cost curve will also start from the same. This is the total cost curve. So this is how we can present total cost, total variable cost, and total fixed cost curve on the same plane, on a single plane. The cost that is related with total cost is average total cost. A, T, C. Cost per unit of output. Cost per unit of output is average cost. Is cost per unit of output. We can get average total cost by taking total cost divided by output. Or we get the same average total cost equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. These two approaches lead at the same answer. Now, for the sake of more understanding, we wind up with the last concept of cost related to that approach, that is marginal cost. MC. Sometimes marginal cost is denoted as extra cost. So you see somewhere written extra cost implies marginal cost. Additional to total cost resulting from producing one extra unit of output. The additional to total cost resulting from producing one additional unit of output is the addition to total cost resulting from producing one extra or one addition unit of output. I've said marginal cost is sometimes also known as extra cost. So, to get marginal cost is equal to change in total cost over change in output. Sometimes we write this as in a way of a differentiation, change in total cost over change in output. We get marginal cost. So now we produce a larger kind of a schedule representing all the information that we started looking at from when we started looking at total fixed cost to the point when we are writing marginal cost. We have output. We have total fixed cost. We have total variable cost. We have total cost. Then we had average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost. We finish up with marginal cost. We started with output 0. Then we had 1. We had 2, 3, 4, and 5. Total fixed cost was 30 throughout the level of output. Total variable cost, we had 0 here, 10, 18, 21, 32, and 50. Total cost, we had 30, 30 plus 0. Then total cost, 30 plus 10, 40. 30 plus 18, 48. 30 plus 21, 51. 30 plus 32, we have 62. And 30 plus 50, we have 80. Average fixed cost. You know, total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. To get average fixed cost, we take total fixed cost, we divide by output, or average total cost minus average variable cost. So we take total variable cost, divide by 0. We say it is undefined. 30 divided by 1 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 30 divided by 3, it is 10. 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. And 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then we have average variable cost. Average variable cost, which is equal to total variable cost over output, or average total cost minus average fixed cost. So these are the values of variable cost. 0 divided by 0 is undefined, place a dash. Then 10 divided by 1, we have 10. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 32 divided by 4, it is 8. And 50 divided by 5, it's 10. Then we go to find average total cost. Average total cost, we have said, is equal to total cost over output, or average fixed cost plus average variable cost. 30 divided by 0 is undefined. Then we have 40 divided by 1, it's 40. The same as 30 plus 10. Then we have 48 divided by 2, it is 24. The same as 15 plus 9. 51 divided by 3, it is 17. The same as 7 plus 10. So this is 17. 62 divided by 3, it is 15.5. The same as 7.5 plus 8. 80 divided by 5, it is 16. The same as 10 plus 6. We are through with this. Then we go to marginal cost. Change in marginal cost. When output is 0, marginal cost is undefined. Now, to get marginal cost for the first output, marginal cost, we have said it is equal to change in total cost over change in output. It is the same as what? We take 40 minus 30 divide by 1 minus 0. 40 change in total cost, 40 minus 30. Change in output, 1 minus 0. We get this is equal to 10. So we write 10 here. For the second output, we have 48 minus 40 divided by 2 minus 1. We get the answer is 8. For the third level of output, we have 51 minus 48 divided by 3 minus 2. This is equal to 3. So marginal cost here is 3. Then we have 62 minus 51 divided by 4 minus 3. It is 11. So we write 11. Finally, it is 80 minus 62 divided by 5 minus 4. Dear students, would you fill in the blanks here? If this was a trend, can you fill in the blanks here? Okay, we do it. 0 minus 2, we take it is 10, minus 2 is 8. Then we have 7 minus 6, so the answer is 18. This is how we can fill in the blanks for marginal cost. Now, we are through with the graphical representation of total fixed cost, total variable cost, and total cost. Now, we need to construct graphs for fixed costs, average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost. Average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost. Cost versus output. You remember average fixed cost declines throughout and asymptotic to the horizontal axis. This is the average fixed cost curve. Another curve which reaches the lowest point of this is the marginal cost curve, which is having 3 units. So we draw the marginal cost curve, which if you observe it, you'll find that the values decline, reach the minimum point, then they turn up. So the marginal cost curve is also U-shaped. So it starts high up, declining, going high up. This is the marginal cost curve. Then the other graph which reaches the minimum point before average total cost is average variable cost with the minimum point of 7. So it begins high up, declines, reaches the minimum, then turns up. This is average variable cost curve. And finally, we have the average total cost curve, which is also declining up to 15.5, then turning up. It's also U-shaped. So this is the average total cost curve, average total cost. Dear students, I would like to illustrate these 2 points. It is very important. We have this as Q0 and this as Q1. Average variable cost reaches at minimum when it is equal to marginal cost. Average variable cost is at minimum when average variable cost is equal to marginal cost. The same will be for the case of average total cost. So, secondly, average total cost is at minimum when average total cost is equal to marginal cost. Remember these 2 points, Q0 and Q1. The turning point of average variable cost and average total cost is when they intersect the marginal cost curve. Remember this, it's very, very important. Dear students, we are through with some crucial points related to costs of production. We are not yet to finish. We thank you very much for watching us, and still we are asking you to send us some questions and problems you face in the course of your study in this program. You can send us your questions through SMS or WhatsApp on number 0769 048594. I will repeat, 0769 048594. You may also follow us on Instagram page called Elimika Darasa. Thank you for watching and stay safe.